Sa Malacanang, Secretary Vince Dizon nanumpa na bilang bagong DPWH Secretary. Attorney Giovanni Calvo Lopez Togade nanumpa na rin bilang Acting Secretary ng DOTR. Let Narciso please come in. Miss Let.
Lakay, inako ni Secretary Manuel Bonoan ang responsibilidad sa lahat ng problema sa Department of Public Works and Highways. Iyan ang dahilan kaya tinanggap ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang kanyang pagbibitiw sa tungkulin. Sa ambush interview dito sa Taguig City, sinagot rin ng Pangulo kung bakit si Secretary Vince Dizon ang inilagay sa DPWH kapalit ni Bonoan. Ay kay PBBM, nakita naman ang pusay ni Dizon sa Department of Transportation at nailatag na rin anya nito ang mga dapat gawin, kaya pwede niya nang iwan ang ahensya. Kabisado rin anya ni Dizon ang trabaho sa DPWH. Narito si Pangulong Marcos.
I think it was Secretary Bonoan who said that he took responsibility because it was under all of these things happened, all of these problems happened under his watch. So, under the principle of command responsibility, he felt that he should leave this post. So, and why Vince Dizon? Because he seems he's done a very good job at the OTR. And I think he's already set the stage for all of the things that we need to do. So pwede na niyang iwanan and go to public work because he's also familiar with the workings of the Department of Public Works and Highways.
Kanina ay nanumpa na nga si Secretary Dizon kay Pangulong Marcos bilang bagong DPWH Secretary. Nanumpa rin si dating Undersecretary Giovanni Lopez bilang Acting Secretary naman ng Department of Transportation. Ito si Let Narciso para sa DZRH, una sa Pilipinas, una sa Pilipino.
Maraming salamat, Let.